had a vision of what we wanted the space to be able to do, a strategic vision about how it was going to future-proof us and ensure we stayed ahead of time. We knew that the architects that we chose had to be somebody that could deliver that, somebody that could come in and give it that wow factor.
As the lead architect of this project, the main challenge was, as usual, to keep everything together, all the stakeholders' requests, as well as the budget constraints, the timeline, and we are really pleased to see that, we managed to achieve a great results.
When we're thinking about what we're doing to the space and how we're going to transform it, we often think about assets. We want to create an asset for the college or university. We want to inspire the students.
The immersive theatre space and the T-Levels engineering spaces, what they've done is twofold. They've provided brand new facilities which are modern, state-of-the-art. They're conducive with the current climate and they reflect the external employment environment.
Previously, this space was drab, it was old, it was tired, it was slightly depressing to walk into.
Our task was to come in and build that wow factor. We decided to go for a really minimalistic look for everything, so all the tribunes, the seating area, the monitor, and we decided just to emphasize the ceiling as the main feature of the space.
The transformation was outstanding.
Now when you come into it, it's engaging, it's exciting.
When I first walked in, I just thought, wow, what an environment to make available to our students. It's a significant investment and it's paid off.
Seeing how the students responded and how our stakeholders, and seeing the technology in action was fantastic.
It was to create a dynamic, an immersive, a collaborative and an active learning space, and that's worked. That's what we've ended up with.
When you design a beautiful space with a wow factor, you also have to think about how you get to the space from outside. So in the case of the immersive theatre, we found the opportunity to create a feature corridor, like a portal, which leads you into a new dimension. As you're walking into the space, you feel like something beautiful is going to happen. And as you're opening the doors and you enter, your expectations are fully satisfied as you are seeing in front of you this wonderful backlit ceiling.
The T-level is a very important qualification that runs alongside A-levels here at USP.
T-levels are a new post-16 curriculum offer. For students to be able to access T-level provision, they need industry standard space to be able to study in.
The main aspect of the T-level labs to make them successful as a design was to channel all the requests and the brief from the college itself into a functional layout.
My favourite aspect is the actual transformation. When we saw the old labs, they were really from like the 1970s, the wood benches, the G-clamps.
Boring spaces, they weren't interactive, they weren't professional, to what we have now, which is professional, active spaces where students can really learn those technical proficiencies and you can see them much more engaged.
That's moved our engineering facility to a new level. It gives the students a fantastic experience to get their hands on some of the kit that they're likely to be using in industry.
Any student who's learning engineering working in that space will be career ready.
When we come into an education project, we always try to go the extra mile. So on one side, of course, we have to stick to the budget and the timeline, but on the other side, we always try to push the boundaries of what can be achieved with the design.
It was just great working with WindsorPatania. They fulfilled the brief, they gave us loads of options. The budget that we had available, we came out with a really good facility. Just makes a big statement, and that is what we wanted to do from the very beginning.
I definitely work with WindsorPatania again. They've been nothing but supportive and understanding throughout. They understood the brief and took time to understand the brief. They've continually listened, they've been adaptable, and I've only got positive praise.